Hi, Cool Beans family. It's Miss Marissa and
Whoopee!
Wolfie. What are we doing today?
Today we go do our petrol project for our mummies.
Yay! For today's project, we'll need
Paint, picture, face, flowers, tape, hot glue gun.
the first step to our project is going to be to take our favorite picture, hot glue around the borders of our picture, and glue it to the inside of our base. Once you have your photo safely secured to the inside of your vase, we're going to tape around the front of the vase or the outside of the vase so we don't get any paint so we can see the picture. All right, Cool Beans, Wolf and I decided to get super creative and tape off our picture in the shape of a heart. Now that we have the front or the outside of our vase secured as well, we're going to paint our entire vase. Ready? Let's go.